Hello student, this is Shumona from Simmi Foundation. Today we are all here for learn about an interesting topic named apoptosis. So first of all we have to know what is apoptosis. Apoptosis is a process of programmed cell death. It is used during early development of eliminate unwanted cell. Apoptosis, which is programmed cell death, occurs under genetic control, also called cell suicide. The key characteristics of apoptosis is a series of typical morphological features such as shrinking of cell, fragmentation into membrane-bound apoptotic bodies, and a rapid phagocytosis by neighboring cells. Activation of cysteine protease called capsase plays a major role in execution of apoptosis. In this slide, we will know about the apoptosis for proper development of tissue. In central nervous system, the remodeling that occurs during development and synapse formation. During formation of fingers and toes of the fetus, the apoptosis plays an important role of removing the web tissue between the finger and toes. Apoptosis for proper development of tissue. During sexual development in fetal life, the apoptosis is responsible for regression of duct system. Now we have to know about what causes apoptosis. Apoptosis plays important role in physiology and pathology and can be triggered by numerous stimuli including ischemia, hypoxia, exposure to certain drugs and chemicals, immune reactions, infectious agents, high temperature, radiation, and various disease states. Now in this slide, we have to know about the apoptosis for normal functioning of adult tissue. Cyclic breakdown of endometrium that leads to start of menstruation is caused by apoptosis. Epithelial cells that lose their connection to the basal lamina and surrounding cells undergo apoptosis. Enterocytes slugged of the type of intestinal villi undergo apoptosis. In this slide, we will know about the apoptosis to destroy the cells that represent a threat to integrity of the organism. Apoptosis of the cells infected with virus, apoptosis of the cells of the immune system to prevent them from attacking body constituents, and apoptosis of the cells with DNA damage, apoptosis of the cancer cells. Here are the mechanism of apoptosis. The final common pathway is activation of a group of cysteine protease called capsase, which exists in cell as inactive proenzymes. Triggering stimuli is internal stimuli, apoptosis including factor, external stimuli. So here is a question maybe arise within you, that is apoptosis good or bad? Apoptosis is a normal and necessary part of the development. As a human body develops, it becomes necessary to get rid of or kill certain cells. Cells with DNA damage or viral infections are two such examples. In this case, apoptosis benefits the organism by eliminating potentially virus infected and cancerous cells. Here may be the other question arises within you, that does apoptosis hurt? So during apoptosis, the cell membrane remains intact and the cell breaks into apoptotic bodies which are phagocytosed. Apoptosis, in contrast to necrosis, is not harmful to the host and does not induce any inflammatory reaction. So student, in this video you already learn about what is apoptosis, what cause apoptosis, is apoptosis bad or good, or does apoptosis hurt? So for today, that's all. Happy learning and thank you.